Gold and silver traded with moderate bullishness. So far for the day, we have seen a struggle in silver at 38.40, 38.60 zone, the zone which we had mentioned as a greater resistance, while gold has also shown the struggle at 33.70. 72 levels. What to expect now with the US session? Are we looking forward to a further rise in the metals, or the highs are done and wait for a reversal? What should be our strategy? Where to enter, where to exit, how to. We are going to see here with the help of charts and indicators. This is the second update for the day, and this is the only channel to deliver twice a day updates so that you can profit across Asia, Europe, and US sessions. Subscribe, press the bell icon to get the notifications. Do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start first to look into gold, followed with silver. Watch till the end. First, if you look at gold on the hourly chart, see after the rise, retracement, support from 20 period, again a rise, retracement, support from 20 period, again a rise. Now see, this was outside Bollinger Bands. It has tried to retrace but not yet taken the support from the 20 period. There is a possibility of a move towards this zone, that is 33.55, 33.56, 60 zone here. This should be a good support zone. As we have seen here, it might take the support from these levels. Now notice, after hitting the highs, one pullback, retracement, and see the candles here, you can see moderate bullishness, then a red candle has appeared. So possibly hitting lower highs, it may try to reverse. It can keep moving all the way towards 33.60, 58, or in fact 50, 33.54, 55, or 33.50 levels, the next support levels. As I have mentioned earlier in the day, till 33.30 we should not be treating gold as bearish. Notice it is delivering higher lows, higher highs, trading in this channel. Very important for now for gold to first trade below 33.50 levels, then 33.44, 45, then 33.40, and I'll say till 33.30 you have to remain extremely cautious and vigilant for the bears out here. The moving averages are definitely bullish. Stochastic looking downwards. The MACD has retraced. It is trying to converge, not yet crossed over. RSI is staying flat. Coming to 2-hour chart. Likewise on the 2-hour chart, this is important to note. Look at the double top levels. Thus it is pretty important for gold to break beyond now 33.72 levels. Now 33.72, once it breaches, expected to move towards 33.78, 80 possibly. But what's happening? Look at double top, and then we have seen a pullback, one swing candle. Now current one is starting on a bullish note. This may possibly reverse. This may possibly try to erase some of the gains for the day. Notice what has happened. Rise retracement. It has seen 4 candles. It might try to erase some of the gains for the day. Moving averages are definitely trading with divergence and bullishness. The stochastic is overbought here. The MACD, if you look at it, is divergent, bullish, looking upwards. And the RSI, if you see, the RSI is staying flat here. Coming to 3-hour, see on the 3-hour charts, preceding candle is a candle of consolidation. We have hardly seen any movement here. And yes, the resistance on the upside is pretty intact. We have to wait for it to stay now beyond 33.72 and then 33.76, 33.80 levels. 3 levels here till 33.85. I will say there are greater resistances beyond that. 3400 is a must. But if you track the movement, notice, see how it delivers is rise retracement, again a rise. So possibly it may try to retrace. The lows here could be somewhere here at around 33.54, 55, and a drop below 33.44, 45 should invite more bears out here. Below 33.40, the bearishness will increase. Stochastic at top, the MACD has crossed over here at the bottom, trading with divergence, staying bullish. RSI is rising as well. And when you see the 4-hour, similar observation here on the 4-hour charts here, couple of sharp bullish candles and preceding candle, just it is consolidated. Also it has formed a double top, and thus it is pretty important for gold to trade beyond 33.72 and then expected to move towards 33.76, 33.80, 33.84, 85. Notice after the rise it is retraced. Now it is on the reversal journey, but just wait for a double top levels. Hitting double top, possibility of a reversal cannot be denied. Moving averages definitely trading with divergence, is staying bullish. Earlier in the day, the importance I have shared for the exponential moving averages in 1H, 2H, 3H. Every time it has taken the support, it has bounced back sharp. And thus on the downside, pretty important for the gold to trade below the 20 and 50 period moving average. Stochastic back to overbought. The MACD crossed over here, trading with divergence, staying bullish. RSI flat here. Coming to daily. Now on the daily charts, notice rise, retracement, higher lows here, higher highs here. Now see the formation here. It has shown a pullback. It has formed a support here. A couple of consolidation candle. Today it has started to deliver a breakout. But notice I will wait for the closer of the day, because see, higher highs means lower lows are also possible. And this will be confirmed if it trades below 33.44, 33.40 zone. You can definitely expect lower lows here, which might take it all the way towards 33.30, 33.20 or lower levels. So where it closes the day, that is going to be important. For now, we have to wait for a breakout here. The direction it delivers the breakout might stay the direction for the next few sessions here. Specifically, a move beyond 3384.85 and 3400 should be treated as a bullish reversal, bullish breakout. Stochastic rising here, the MACD crossed over here at the bottom, trading with moderate bullishness. RSI rising here. So considering this, before I provide you the levels, if you are willing to learn this art of trading, join the mentorship batch. The next batch starts today. Yes, you can still join, be a part of it. Connect with me, write an email, ping me or telegram for your queries. And if you're just willing to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Again, connect for queries. And those looking forward to a trusted partner which offers you a free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. So now, very simple, buy at 33.72. It is going to be risky till 33.85 now. Yes, 33.76, 33.80 and 33.84.85. Three levels it has to breach. Once it trades beyond 33.84.85, possibility of a move towards 3400 will increase and a move beyond 3400 will confirm the next move towards 34.22, 34.40 and 34.50 levels possibly. While on the downside now you can take a sell here at 33. 60 levels here itself below 33.60, expected to move towards 33.54, 55, 33.50, 48, 33.44 and 33.40. Below 33.40 is where the bearishness will increase, and then you can expect 33.30, 32, 33.20 and then 3300. Yes, this could invite or this could confirm a complete reversal. Trading below 33.30, 33.20, it's a complete reversal. We can expect a greater correction from there. Right now it is looking upwards, but let's wait for it to close. The day where it closes is going to be pretty important for the coming few sessions. Take your positions accordingly. Let's move to silver. Silver on the hourly chart, see, after a rise, it is retraced, and now it has shown a series of bullish candles here. It's still trying to bounce back. Now, if you see it is staying below 38.40, that is the higher price. If you see trading below 38.40, you can take a sell. Expect 38.30, 38.20 levels. Any drop below 38.20 will confirm the possibility of a further drop towards 38. And if it trades below 38, it's a reversal. It's a greater correction which should follow. A move below 38 where 37.75, 37.50 and in fact 37 can be seen, but right now it is not showing such bearishness. Now look at the hourly charts here. Current candle, see, after diminishing bullishness it has shown a reversal. The current candle ideally has to trade lower, but let's wait for it to trade below 38.40 where you can take a sell here. The stochastic is staying overbought. The MACD also crossed over, trading with moderate bullishness. The RSI is flat here. Look at 2-hour chart. On the 2-hour chart, similar observation. On the 2-hour charts, diminishing bullishness is one, outside Bollinger Bands is second, third is higher lows. Higher lows suggestive of bullishness, rest other indications are not so supportive for the further rise. But notice after the rise it retraces as well. This is another observation which might invite a little retracement here in the silver prices. However, I'll say till 38 it's not bearish. Stochastic back to overbought. The MACD trading with moderate bullishness looking upwards. The RSI is rising here. Look at 3 hour. On the 3-hour chart, similar observation. I'll just wait for it to stay and breach past the preceding highs, specifically beyond 33.60.65, 38.60.65 is stay bullish here. The possibility of a move towards 39 will increase. Yes, the rise, then the retracement support here, the rise here, possibly this could take it towards the highs. Towards 38.80, $39 levels here. Let's wait for this. Now, if you see the near-term movement after this highs, we have seen a retracement. Now see, this drop was sharp. This is a bit gradual, which suggests this is under retracement, not yet a complete reversal. However, a move beyond 39 anyways, which is close to the near-term highs, the decade highs levels at 39.20, a move beyond 39 will confirm a move towards $40 levels as well. Let's wait for this. The stochastic rising, the MACD trading with moderate bullishness here. RSI rising as well. Coming to 4-hour, similar observation here on the 4-hour charts, taking the support from the 20 period. We have seen the silver price is rising here. Now this is almost at the top here. We have to wait and watch how it behaves till towards 38.60.65. Only and only if it trades beyond 38.60.65, treat this as bullish. Else we can possibly expect a reversal here. The moving average is trading with divergence. Stochastic back to overbought. MACD trading with moderate bullishness here. And the RSI rising as well. Coming to daily. Now see, before you look into daily charts, notice what's happening here. It has formed a good base, and after forming the base it is trying to rise. It has to just stay beyond 38.60.65, and then possibly beyond this we are looking at 39 and plus levels here. 39, 39.20, we have already seen it offering a good resistance. Beyond this $40 levels is a must here. If you look at the move here, see what's happening. After a bigger rise it has retraced, taken the support, again a rise, retracement, trying to break out on the upside. But right now I'll still not confirm this as bullish. Notice diminishing bullishness here, taken the support and it is showing the rise. Hitting the highs again, it can show you a pullback. Yes, this is silver, it can do wonders. It can move all the way towards 3750 levels again. Let's watch out the move today. Where it closes the day is going to remain very, very important. Stochastic rising, MACD and RSI both are rising. So considering this, if you see it is staying beyond 38.65, stay bullish for 38.85, 39, 39.20. Once it trades beyond 39.20, we are aiming at 40 here very, very soon. 39.80, 40 should be the next target zone here. While on the downside, I'll recommend a selling entry if you see it is staying in fact below 38.40. When you see the higher prices below 38.40 itself, you can take a sell bet 38.30, 38.20, 38.10 and 38. Till 38, put a 10 cents trailing. Below 38, you can expect 37.75, 37.50, $37 levels as the next targets. Take your trades and positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel, reach out to me for your queries. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates. And join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. See you again tomorrow with the Asia and Europe session. Do what that as well. Thank you.